this is Kiko and Nuno. So, oh. He pooped on me. You're a baby. Okay, hold still. Stop.
Pooping. That was a big one.
No.
Today I want to show you my birds. These are the cocktails. I have 4 of them. This one is the male. He loves to sing. And this one is the female. She's more calm. And these are the babies. At the beginning, birds are usually scared. They don't trust people yet. So if you move too fast, they can fly away. So you have to be very calm. I don't force them, I just stay close and let them feel safe. Sometimes I put my hand near them and I wait. You see, slowly they start to trust me. Every bird is different. Some are faster, some need. The most important thing is patience. And being gentle, you can't rush trust. But when they trust you, it feels really special. Okay. So guys, if you would like a bird, make sure to know what to do. Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye. Bye guys. See you later. Have a good time. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hungry. They always make a mess, so. Mess again. Again. If you want food, stop. Splasher. Let's see if you want food. Would you want food? Bro, you're doing it the wrong way. Guys, they were fed. This is. There you go. They start being quiet. Okay. These are the babies. They're really hungry. And those are there's birds right there. Come on. This is the male. He loves to sing, right? He broke my necklace. So. Ah! He bit my nose. Just fluffy boy. Alright. They fly away a lot. Sit down. Okay. Ooh, you're cool. Still have a lot more time to go. This girl is way too calm. Chuku, 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 chuku. We are so hungry, bro. Would you like something or not? There you go. Come here. Would you like something? Oh! Unfortunate times. Yup.
brownies. You want my clothes? Oh, sorry. Yeah, a bit too much food. Okay. You hungry, boy? You hungry? And I keep making noise again. Is that good? Oh, you're still hungry. Of course you are. Hungry?
Which one is your favorite bird? My favorite bird is definitely this one. Oh, I mean this one. Boy. The fat eye right here. Actually, no. I like this one. Yeah, they're really cute. And he's gonna poop in a second, so. Hi. What? Hi.